Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. The ADA price rallied yesterday a little bit, but so far the price has only formed a three-wave corrective rally from the recent low. So we're going to take a look at the microstructure and we take a look if any upside targets, relevant upside projections have been reached, or if we're still caught in a still unfolding wave 2 correction there. Because if you remember from previous videos, we were watching here for a 5-wave move up. I mean, that's unchanged now. Wave 1 could have formed another extension, but the chart clarified that wave 1 was complete. So this 5-wave move is complete. And at the moment, as long as the 29-cent level is holding, I am looking for further upside, potentially in an upcoming 3rd-wave rally. It's important to recognize that this is the relevant support region. If a 5-wave move completed, or completes, then typically that one is being corrected by a corrective pullback, which is currently what we see. And such a wave 2 should normally not break below the 78.6 retracement level. So that's here the 29-cent level, even though the invalidation point is not going to be reached until we get to the June low. And that's here 22 cents. Okay, so that is invalidation. There's a difference between support and invalidation. It's below the support region. It is very unlikely that we are still going to, let's say, rally in a 3rd wave in a bullish scenario. But it's not impossible. This count, let's say we break below 29 cents, go down to 25 cents, recover. While that would be unlikely that it's still a 3rd wave, it's not impossible. It's just below support probabilities are shifting. And I'd say we have support obviously below 29 cents in this region here around the September and October lows. And I know that on some exchanges, this is the low, not the June low. So that makes it a little bit tricky, okay? The interpretation of this chart. But it's going to be another support level here, okay? Just want to explain there is structural support, there's an invalidation point and the Fibonacci support levels, but this wave 2 that we're currently exploring and watching, this wave 2 should ideally not break below the 29-cent level. So even if we form one more low, it might be enough for the price to only reach 36 cents, which is, as you might see there, the golden ratio level, the 61.8 retracement. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. And here you can see the roadmap for the bulls. So the idea is that, yep, this wave 2 correction unfolds as an ABC structure. The low could be in, as highlighted here in yellow with question mark. Hasn't proven itself yet. The low could be in. So I just want to make sure that everybody understands that's a possibility. But it would only really become much more likely if we get a break above 51.6 cents. And if we then also form 5 waves up as per the yellow microstructure. And the 3rd wave needs to reach 56.8 cents, and the 5th wave basically 60 cents. So I need 5 waves to 59 to 60 cents to have a first confirmation that a low is in, whereas a break above 51.6 cents is needed to, let's say, at least keep that a valid scenario, because we only get to these key levels if we break above initial resistance, the green line there, 51.6 cents. Until then, it's possible that we're currently still forming a C wave to the downside as an ending diagonal pattern potentially. Okay, in which case this would not be a 5-wave move, but it would be possible as an ending diagonal. This looks fairly clearly like a 5-wave move, so it would be ideal if a low is in. But then again, there are different ways of counting this. So to get really to reduce significantly the likelihood that we get another low, we need 5 waves up. There's no way around it. And currently just watching if the price has the upside momentum to break above 51.6 cents and get to these key levels. So consolidating just below resistance at the moment, as long as we only see 3 waves up, and especially as long as we are below resistance, there's not really any clear confirmation possible that this wave 2 is bottomed. But it is expected from this region, because if we don't hold the yellow support region, new bear market lows are likely happening. Can't confirm at this stage the beginning of an altcoin season or so, but if a 3rd wave rallies from here and starts, that is what you could consider altcoin season. And this third wave would, however, need to give us a little bit more evidence that it started, right? At the moment, we don't even have a clear setup for it to start on the shorter time frame. Larger time frame, yeah, we've got this wave 2 support area, but there's currently not enough evidence to say that, yeah, we've bottomed here locally. And the third wave rally to the upside should send the price into this larger target zone there, starting at $2, ideally $2.40 plus, however. But we need a little bit more patience. Hasn't really started yet, but next week could be interesting, as this looks like. Again, maybe one more low, but then the last one or the next one could be the last one. That's my update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.